Welcome back to Where in the World is Alex. Today we have a little change up in video. We've got the apartment tour down here in the city of Chicago. Why don't you come on in? Well, thank you for coming today. We're here in the heart of Old Town. Why don't you come over this way and I'll show you the main area. We've got a nice recliner chair here. We've got a pretty nice couch set up. We've got a futon and a regular couch. A little table that came with the place. Pretty nice TV setup. We got Apple TV running. Got a couple Alexa smart speakers in this baby. I can show you the PC setup over here where the gaming and video editing goes on.
Life is good.
We've got the view here of the street. We got a little camera set up to monitor the street activity, make sure there's no violence going on. Parking garage across the way for easy access for my guests. Here's the couch area, pretty slick setup. Watch some television. How about we go behind the bar real quick? As you can see, this is the little kitchen area. We got a fridge to keep the food cold. We'll pull out to entertain my guests. Little chair area here.
I've never seen before. Same people, different faces, same story. And I can tell you this is getting boring. If it's gonna stay like this, you know I'm boring. All these people trying to...
Heading up to the loft where the magic happens. This is the loft up here where I get my rest and chill out. Got a nice view of the whole place from up here. Got some Christmas lights hung up. My bathroom is down at the end of the hallway. It is detached from the actual apartment, but it's just a little shared private bathroom, and it gets cleaned every weekend, so that's pretty nice. But thank you guys for taking the time to watch today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the apartment tour. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Thanks.